Good morning.
Okay, now all of you please mute yourselves so that I can talk to sir. Good morning, everyone, and now please mute yourselves. Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, in this role play, we are going to give them a situation. Like, let's say, like we are going in our corridors, okay, in our school corridors, and we found a boy or a girl roaming without the outpass. Okay, so it is assumed that he is trying to, or she is trying to bunk the class or not attending the class. Okay, so at that particular time, we are going to frame sentences, and the boy or a girl, she or he is also going to frame sentences. Okay, ma'am. So this is the role play over here, which they are going to do. Or we can do one thing more, like during our assembly time, when students come late, they are told to stand separately. They are not allowed to join the assembly. Yes, ma'am. And at this time, after the assembly, the sports teacher or the teacher in charge can do one thing, that he or she is going to scold the student, that or he or she is going to ask the student why he was late and what was the reason behind it, and is he going to do this thing one more time, matlab he's going to come late tomorrow, or he is going to mend this thing. Okay, ma'am. So we have two situations on which we can work out, and let's see.
I think we should start now because I don't think most of them will join. We only
Yes,
have
ma'am.
this much attendance, so we can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So shall we start with class 5? Is there anyone
Yeah, sure.
from class 5?
No, I don't think there's anyone from class 5. Class 4, we have Aprajita, then Aditi, Samiksha,
So we should
Aradhya.
start. Okay, ma'am. We should start with class 4 then. So Aprajita, shall we start with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving you a situation, like you are out of your class roaming without your outpass. Okay, and at this time, Anika ma'am was coming from the staff room, and she saw you roaming around. Okay, so ma'am, will you please help me out?
Sir, I think in case of we teachers, I think we can ask one of the students to act as a teacher. They both can communicate among themselves, no?
Correct.
है ना?
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think what
So in both
Aradhya can
ways,
become a teacher.
communication. Yes, ma'am. In both ways, communication is done by the students, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. That's very
Aradhya,
correct.
Aradhya, Aradhya, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Aradhya. Now all others, please mute yourself. Only Aradhya and Aprajita will unmute themselves. So, okay, now Aprajita is the default student. Or both of you listen carefully. Aprajita is roaming about in the corridor without the outpass. And Aradhya, you are the teacher. You have seen Aprajita that she is roaming in the corridor without the outpass of the class. So how you are going to talk to her? How you are going to explain her? Will you scold her? Will you, guide her? What are you going to do? So Aprajita is passing by and Aradhya is the teacher. Please communicate both of you so that you can see how the communication goes. Others, please mute yourselves. Okay, start. Aprajita and Aradhya. Start. Aradhya, now you have to start. You have seen Aprajita roaming in the corridor without the outhouse. Now, what will you say? What will be your first line as a teacher?
Why you are not wearing the outpass?
Okay. Aprajita, communicate. We are not there. Only you both are there. Communicate.
Okay.
Yes, better speak, please. Continue.
I am sorry.
Okay. Or you can say you forgot your outpass, or you Can say anything else.
I am
What do you
sorry.
feel like?
Aprajita, you said I am sorry. That means you have intentionally did it. You forgot. You did not forgot your outpass, but you intentionally did not take it from the class. No. How do you communicate with the teacher in the very same manner you both will communicate? Even I and Avinash sir are going to mute ourselves. You both talk. Start. Now, Aradhya said, "Where is your outpass?" Now, please, Aprajita replied.
To the toilet.
Beta, your voice was not audible. Please speak it once. Speak once again.
I was
There are some network issues, no? Even I cannot hear them.
Yes.
properly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is some problem at Aprajita's place. There is
No,
network.
okay.
We have network issues over there. Okay, so we can do one thing. We can, where Bhavi is there, let her become the teacher. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Rest everyone can
Okay.
become the student.
Okay, students. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So where Bhavi, are you there?
yes, sir.
Okay, I think, sir, instead of, I have a very good idea. Instead of two of the children acting, what we can do is, we all can act as students and Aprajita can enter the class and guide us about COVID-19. What are the measures we are going to take? What are the precautions that we have to take? She will act as a teacher of the class. She will conduct the class. And you, I, and all the other students will act as students of the class. Let's see what she has to guide us and what are the queries that we have from her.
Very true. This is also a very good situation now.
है ना? In this way, all the students will also get
Will get the
involved and
chance.
let
Yes, ma'am.
let her be the teacher.
Okay.
The others, please mute yourself. And Vaibhavi.
Where
Vaibhavi.
Bhavi, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. You need to tell us.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now
You're going to tell us about
Vaibhavi.
COVID-19.
You are our teacher today and you will guide us about. Aradhya, Samiksha, Rajveer, everybody just mute yourself. Okay, now Vaibhavi is the teacher for the day. Now even I am going to mute myself and you please continue with the class. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, students. So, today we will be study about COVID-19. It is a virus that was being discovered in China. From China, it came for the country, and for this, to avoid corona, we have to take the precautions. We have to wash our hands daily, regular, for 20 seconds. We have to make a proper use of mask. We should sanitize the food vegetables that come from the market. And we should maintain proper social distancing. We should not touch our face like eyes, nose, and mouth.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to add on? Anything else, Vaibhavi, you like to add on?
If we are sneezing, we should take a handkerchief and put it on our mouth.
And we should wear a
And,
mask.
we should throw that tissue paper or handkerchief in the dustbin. If we are having fever, then we should maintain proper social distancing from others so that they can also not infect. We should keep
Okay.
ourselves clean and healthy.
Okay. Thank you, Vaibhavi. That was very good. And thank you for your suggestions. Now, after Vaibhavi, is there anyone who is from class 5?
No, sir.
So, Anika ma'am,
Yes,
shall we
sir.
start with class 4?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, so class 4, the first person, who's going to be the first person? Aradhya,
Yes, sir.
please start speaking. What are you going to be? You are a teacher right now? Yes, ma'am, please.
And I think we can give him some other topic, no? He can tell us, Aradhya, what information, is there any topic you would like to share with us except coronavirus? Excuse me. Yes, Aradhya, would you like to give us information about any other topic of your concern, of your choice? It can be anything. If you are interested in cricket, you can tell us something about cricket, football, anything that you would like to share, anything of your choice.
And if you want to say or speak something on coronavirus, you're most welcome. It's your discretion
Anything.
I'm on cricket.
on cricket.
Chalo,
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, we are waiting for you to start.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning. Today I am going to tell you about the cricket. There are 11 players in cricket. There are wicket keeper, batter and bowler. The bowler throw the ball and the batter kick the ball with his bat. And if the ball catch in the goes in wicket keeper hand, then the batter get out, and then other wicket come and he throw if he throw out of the line, then it will call 6. When he not throw the ball out of the line, then it will call 4 runs. And if the bowler throw and he kick to take out the ball from the line, if the team of the bowler catch the ball, then the batter will go out of the stadium.
Okay, so you like to continue? You want to add on something else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that was good. There are some things which I would like to tell you better. First of all, while speaking, we do not do like this. The batter, the cricketer. Okay, try to avoid this language. Okay, and one thing more. There's no such word as batter. It's batsman. Okay. And when we use verb with singular, we put s over there, like verb plus s, agreement. Okay, and we never say, like when we talk about boundaries, we speak. There are 2 types of boundaries, that is 6 runs and 4 runs. Okay, Aradhya, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
And if you're going to practice, you're going to avoid this thing at this time at this age, you can avoid this thing like the cricketer, the bowler. Okay, Aradhya?
Sir.
Okay, beta. Anika ma'am, would you like to speak anything? Would you like to say anything?
No, sir, it's fine. You have already told about the mistakes that he had done. Otherwise, he was good.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Mishti of class 3.
Mishti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mishti, now, yes, anybody was saying something?
Ma'am, Aditi of class 2 has not got chance.
I am doing it randomly. Why are you people in such a hurry? You're going somewhere? No, na? Wait, you all will get chance. I'm doing it randomly, okay? Okay, Mishti, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Mishti, would you like to tell us something about any topic of your choice? Since you are going to act as a teacher now. So, would you like to give us some information about any topic of your choice? See, you can take up any topic, any game which is your favorite hobby. If you want to tell something about your hobby, if you want to tell anything about your school, any topic of your choice. Since you are the teacher, you can give us information about any topic. It is going to be helpful. Any favorite television show that you would like to tell us about? Anything. Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to tell us something, beta?
You can speak anything, beta. It's your choice. Any topic.
Chalo, if you want to take time to think, you take your time. We'll move ahead with the other student. Okay, Aprajita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Good. Start.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you how we can avoid wastage of food. And to avoid wastage of food, to avoid wastage of food, we should take less amount of food in our plate, and we should give the leftover food to poor people. And
Yes, Aprajita, go on, beta.
and we should cover the food with a cloth or with a lid, and we should store the food in refrigerator.
Refrigerator, okay. In the meanwhile, we can do one thing, all of you who are left. You can think about a topic, okay? And you can prepare something or jot down on your paper what you want to speak, okay? Yes, Aprajita, you can take your time, beta. Don't get nervous. I know you can do it.
Naturally, you were doing good, Aprajita. Try, you can do it. You were going good.
Even your topic is very good.
Your topic is really good.
Sir, can I take time?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not, beta? Okay, it's okay. So, ma'am, shall we move to other student? Like we have Samiksha.
हाँ, बस the others can prepare themselves in the meantime. No,
Yeah, they
have-
can even write the points on the paper.
You
Okay,
can write the
it's
points
not
on the paper.
necessary that you have to just speak on the same time, and you can choose the topic, whichever topic is soothing for you, whichever topic is easy for you. You can choose that topic. Okay. Samiksha, are you there?
Samiksha,
Yes, sir.
do you
Okay,
want to give
beta.
it a try? Samiksha, do you want to try?
No, ma'am.
You want to try, but it is mandatory for you all to try.
Yeah, this is how you're going to
Please.
speak.
Okay, now you can take your time to prepare. Anyone else who wants to volunteer?
Ma'am, I have to sing.
Okay, Arad is already done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else apart from Arad? See, he has such a good level of confidence in him. It doesn't matter whether he's speaking right or wrong, but he has a confidence in him. Good, Arad.
Aditi, are you there?
Aditi, you can give it a try.
Okay, today I'm going to.
Aditi, wait. First you have Aditi, first you have to greet. No, you are entering the class. You are acting as a teacher, so you have to greet the students. No, first.
Okay.
Okay, start. Okay, start.
So, students, today I'm going to tell about what is science. Science is a study of the nature world. Every event has a logical, scientific explanation. It depends on observation, documentation, and experimentation. World science has derived from a Latin word scientia, meaning knowledge. Study of science removes mythological superstition. Thank you.
Oh, that was really nice, Aditi. But please tell me and be honest. Were you reading it? Were you reading it from somewhere?
I think she's reading from somewhere, but hardly matters. It was good. She can
Okay,
just try.
okay. So, who is going to volunteer from class 4?
So what I think is, even if they don't have anything prepared in their mind right now, they must be having English newspapers back at home. They can just read a paragraph and tell us, no? Even if they have not prepared anything.
Yeah, why not, ma'am?
If they have English papers back at home, why don't they just read a paragraph to us?
So, ma'am, from class 4, we are done with Aradhya, Aprajita, Samiksha. Aditi. Who is left from class 4?
Nobody is left. We can move to class 3. Vivek Kanojia. Who is Vivek Kanojia?
Ma'am, Suryansh.
Okay, Surya, shall we start?
Suryansh of class 4?
Class 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will
Morning.
start football. Football is also known as soccer. It is there are 11 players in each team, and they play with a spherical ball, and its size is 68 to 70 centimeter in its circumference.
And anything else you like to speak, beta? About football, your favorite player?
And they have to kick the football in the goal.
Okay. Okay, that's true. Okay, ma'am, Anika ma'am. I think that will suffice for class 3 student.
Yes, sir.
Sir Saransh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I was saying
Saransh.
that will suffice for class 3 student.
Right.
Saransh.
Okay,
Saransh,
Saransh.
okay.
Start.
Ma'am, which topic?
Beta, you can take any topic. It's your discretion. It's your choice.
Sir, I can speak a paragraph. Story.
Okay.
Rinku and Minky, two birds lived together in a nest. Very lazy cold winter day. Ri- Rico and Minky were two little birds who lived together in nests. They were both very lazy and made excuses to avoid doing any work. One cold winter morning, the breeze was very chilly. Rico and Minky were feeling very cold. They noticed that there was a hole in the nest, but neither made an effort to repair the nest. They made excuses and waited for each other to cover the hole soon. It started snowing. Now the whole grew bigger as snow flakes entered the nest. Riku and Minky shivered with cold, yet they did not move from their place or make any effort to block the hole. Even after it had become dark, they sat shivering all night, and by the time it was morning, they had frozen to death. Thank you. Said this much only.
Okay, that was nice, but still you have to give a little more efforts towards your reading skills. Okay, especially the punctuations. You have to abide them. Okay, and please read around a paragraph or one page every day. Okay, so you are going to enhance your reading skill. This is how you are going to work on it. Okay, Anika ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So I think we are done with all the students. Is there anyone left? Rajveer is left.
Yes, sir. Sir, Rajveer.
Okay,
Rajveer and Shriyansh.
Okay, Shriyansh, you will get chance after Rajveer. Let Rajveer start first.
Mama, I am also left.
Raj. Okay, Mishti, you will get time later at the end. Now, Rajvi, please start with me.
Ma'am, I can tell the story.
Yes, beta. Why not? Why not?
You only have 2-3 minutes.
Once upon a time, a trader was leading a caravan to another country to sell his goods. Along the way, the caravan came to the edge of a very hot desert. The trader asked about and found that nobody could cross the desert during the day. The sun heated up the fine sand until it was as cool and not even camels could walk on it. So the trader hired a guide, one who would follow the stars. It was decided that he would lead the way across the desert at night. A few nights later, the caravan began on its dangerous journey across the desert. The guide usually drove the first cart of the caravan. Sir, for this much only. Thank you.
You're most welcome, beta. You're most welcome. It was very nice. Thank you, Rajveer.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome, beta. Ma'am, after Rajveer, we should call upon Shriyansh.
Suryansh.
Who was
Hello,
this?
everyone.
Who is this?
Sir Shriyansh.
Of class 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Come on, speak.
Hello, everyone. I am going to tell about hockey. Field hockey is a team sport that people have played in vast forms for thousands of years. This fast-moving, extreme game is played between two teams of 11 players each. Players try to hit, push, pass, or dribble a small hard ball into the opposing team's goal using G-shaped stick. Sir, this one only.
Okay, thank you, Shriyansh. I think that you can do one thing more. While speaking, Swastik. Okay, Swastik will come to you. Just Shriyansh, try to be more elaborative when you're speaking. Okay, are you listening, beta?
Yes, sir.
Be more specific and elaborative. So Swastik of class 3.
Can I start, sir?
Can I start,
Yeah.
sir?
Why not? Why not, beta? Go ahead.
Good morning, students. Today I will tell you about benefits of yoga. Yoga increases flexibility of body. Yoga increases muscle strength.
Just a second. Others, please mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance. Please, others, please mute yourself. The one who is speaking only will unmute.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you about benefits of yoga. Yoga increases flexibility of body. Yoga increases muscle
in strength. Yoga reduce weight. Yoga improve energy. Thank you.
Okay, Swastik, it was a very nice topic and you said very well. And it is flexibility.